Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Dustin from Laptop Factory. So guys, maraming salamat for continue subscribing to our page, by liking to our page. We already surpassed the 15,000 subscribers. Congratulations nga pala kay John Benedict Casilla. So siya yung nanalo ng Acer table. So as we promised, pagdating natin sa 15,000 subscribers, meron tayong table. And then sa 20,000 subscribers, merong Acer tablet. 25,000 subscribers, another Acer tablet. And then sa 50,000, magbibigay tayo ng laptop. And bukod doon, during the 25 to 50,000 subscribers, magbibigay tayo ng something special in between. This month, kumita kami ng 8,000 sa revenue dito sa YouTube. So, as we mentioned, yung 8,000 na yung ibabalik din namin sa inyo. Well, actually, mas malaki pa nga ata sa 8,000 na yung binibigay namin sa customers. After this video pala, baling iba naman ang ibibigay namin. It's actually came from Aorus. So, maraming salamat sa Aorus sa pag-sponsor nitong mga gamit na to. So, we got here an Aorus chibi figurine, and also Aorus t-shirt, and this Aorus watch. So guys, this is actually worth mga 10,000 kasi Rolex made daw to eh. Was it really a Rolex? Ay, hindi. Sa plastic lang pala. Pero ang mastig pa rin, di ba? After this video, ang bibigay namin is this one, the Aorus Chibi action figurine. Please watch the video until the end para makita nyo kung sino yung panalo nitong figure na to. Kasi lagi na lang si Predator. So ito, nagbigay din si Aorus. So maraming salamat sa Aorus and sa Gigabyte. Okay, so itabi na natin tong mga freebies na to. So let's go to our main video, which is unboxing a laptop. And guys, this is not just a laptop. Ang tawag dito is a 2-in-1 laptop. Bakit 2-in-1? It can be a tablet and it can be a laptop. So i-open na natin to. Let's see what's inside of this unit. Okay, buksan natin to. So yan, buksan natin to. Pati to. So, saan binubuksan to? Okay, so guys, binubuksan to sa ilalim. And then when you open it, there. Wala pala siyang kasamang sleeve, pati bag. So medyo yun lang yung nakakalungkot dito sa unit na to. Pero let's continue on. Okay, so this is the tablet itself. And then dito sa ilalim, fitting charger. Okay, charger is 20 volts. That's 2.25 ampere, 45 watts. Okay, we got here some manuals. And then this. So ito yung ito yung keyboard niya. Tingnan natin. May mga 2-in-1 laptop kasi na hindi detachable yung keyboard. Yung nati 360 flip lang. But ito, detachable ang keyboard niya. So probably mas mura kasi yung ganun. Okay? So itabi na natin to. So guys, this is the Lenovo D330. First impression, it's a 2-in-1 laptop. We got here the tablet, we have here the keyboard. So pag kinabit mo to, hindi ganun kahirap. Kasi it's magnet. As in magnet, hindi malalaglag yung tablet. And actually, mahirap nga siyang tanggalin. Okay, so the color is mineral gray. Nothing special about sa likod ng mga ano na to. The tablet has a camera in the front and in the back. So check natin yung specs nito mamaya. Speakers nandito sa baba ng tablet. And we got here the volume and the power button. Okay, now let's talk about the ports on the tablet muna. We got here the power connector on this side and then the USB 3.2, that's generation 1. Okay, so on the other side, we have here the audio combo jack. Sa ilalim naman, nandito yung tinatawag nilang Pogo Ping dock connector. So, ito yung nagmamagnet between the keyboard and the tablet. And the ports on the other side, we have here a USB 2.0. And on the other side then, it's a USB 2.0. Let's talk about the dimension of this Lenovo D330. The width is 9.8 inches. The depth is 7 inches. And the height is 0.7 inch pag nakakabit yung keyboard. Yung tablet lang mismo is just 0.2 37-inch. The weight of the unit, the tablet alone, is 0.6 kg. The keyboard alone is 0.5 kg. So combined, that is 1.1 kg. The viewing angle of this unit is 170 degrees. Or the material of this unit is plastic made. Now, let's talk about the specifications. Bali, i-charge na muna namin to at isi-set up. So, balikan namin kayo about it. The exact model is Lenovo IdeaPad D330-10IGL. The processor is Intel Celeron N4020, so that's 2 cores and 2 threads. The base boost is 1.1 GHz and the turbo boost is 2.8 GHz. The memory is 8 GB and the speed is 2400 MHz. The storage is 128 GB. That's an eMMC. So guys, some of you might ask kung ano mas mabilis. Is it an eMMC or an SSD? Now, we all know na mas mabilis ang SSD sa HDD. However, the question is, what about eMMC? Based on the research or na I've checked it on Google, their speed is just actually the same. So meaning, parehas lang ang speed ng eMMC pati ng SSD. The difference about it, ang eMMC is only a small capacity storage, meaning pwede lang siya sa mga 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB. Wala pa ako nakikita na eMMC na 256. However, doon naman sa SSD, this can stored up to mas mataas na storage like 128 SSD, 256, 512 to 1 tera SSD. Ang pinagkaiba lang ng eMMC and SSD is just the storage. Ang eMMC mas kilala sa mga small storage while the SSD medyo mas malaki. The graphics is integrated. That's Intel Ultra HD Graphics 600. So that's an integrated, not dedicated, guys. The display is 128 by 800. So that's an HD resolution. Running with a 60 Hz. So that's 300 nits. Glass is, of course, this is a gloss. Wala naman gaanong touchscreen na matte. So medyo malaki lang ang borders niya. Well, because it's Windows, not like iOS or Android na kaya nilang i-minimize ang pagiging borderless nila. Keyboard feels medyo okay naman yung mga letters niya. Medyo na ano lang ako dito sa mga tab, yung caps lock, yung shift, yung enter kasi medyo mas maliit. When I was doing a typing test, okay siya pero pag nagkakaroon ng errors, nahihirapan ako pindutin yung backspace and then doing an enter kasi medyo pinaliit nga nila compared to a regular laptop. The tracking pad is actually malaki. Yung tracking pad niya for a 10.1 inch. But kailangan pa ng tracking pad kung pwede mo naman siyang gamitin in tablet mode. So dito, if it is in tablet mode, you can actually rotate it to horizontal and vertical. And sa tablet mode, meron din ditong icon na pwede mong ilabas yung keyboard. Okay? And then, of course, sa Android, di ba, once you type a text, that's the time that dun lang lalabas yung keyboard. Here, since this is still a Windows, and guys, this is a Windows 10 Pro. It's not just a Windows 10 Home. Mostly ang mga office or corporate, binibili nila Windows 10 Pro. And do you know how much is a Windows 10 Pro? It's actually cost around mga nasa 8,000 the OS alone. Right now, I'm testing the camera of this unit. So, by default, ang gamit nito is 0.9 MP. So, you just need to go to the settings para malagay siya sa 2 MP. So, mas maganda ang camera nito compared do sa mga normal na laptops. As you can see here, kitang-kita nga dito yung mga tigyawat ko eh. Oh. So, what you're hearing right now is the mic quality coming from the tablet. And so now, I'm testing the rear camera. So, that is 5 MP. So, medyo matagal lang yung focus niya. Pero okay naman for a tablet and a Windows laptop. So what you're hearing right now is me talking to the rear audio or camera of the unit. So guys, hindi na natin babaklasin yung unit na to kasi the memory is already on board. You cannot upgrade the memory and you cannot change the storage. However, you can add micro SD card on it. As pinakita namin, you just need to use a pin to open the SD card slot. Let's talk about the pros and the cons of this unit. First of all, pros. Nakita nyo, it can turn into a tent mode or you can actually do it like this. Wherever you flip it, it can be vertical, it can be horizontal. Other pros is a 2-in-1 laptop. It is detachable, so pwede siya maging tablet. Portability, yes, it is portable kasi nga, it's a tablet laptop. And guys, other pros, this is a Windows 10 Pro. It's not just a Windows 10 Home. Kasi, as I mentioned, may mga ibang corporate na offices, they prefer the Windows 10 Pro. And that actually costs around the mga 6,000 to 8,000. Other pros, the camera quality is actually better compared to a regular laptop. Kasi ang regular laptop is just 0.9. This is giving 2 MP on the front and 5 MP at the rear. Of course, mas maganda pa rin yung mga cellphones, pati tablet, but we are actually comparing this to a Windows operating system, not an Android. Guys, Android and iOS na ganitong feature, you can only have limited access. You're having the full features of a computer on a tablet. So, let's talk about the cons of this Lenovo D330. Unang-una, wala siyang freebies katulad ng mga ibang laptop na may mga bag. Sana man lang meron siyang laptop sleeve para, alam niyo, mas malakas yung market ni Lenovo para mabenta to. Well, guys, magkano lang naman yung sleeve? Mga nasa 200 to 500 lang naman yun eh. And the other cons, hindi mo na pwede upgrade ang memory nito. But this is already an 8GB. 8GB is actually sobrang ideal na para sa Celeron. Kasi mga ibang Celeron is just a 4GB. And then for the storage, of course, hindi mo na mapapalitan yung eMMC nito kasi it's on board. What you can do is you can put an SD card on it. And lastly, the cons na napansin ko dito, masyadong malaki yung borders niya. Well, probably because Windows OS, kailangan talaga ng medyo mas maraming mga, chips sa loob. Hindi katulad ng mga Android or iOS na kayang-kaya nilang talaga magpa-bezel screen. And the other cons, of course, may mga ibang laptop kasi na pwede mo i-360 flip. But those laptops, talagang nagpa-price ng mga nasa 30,000 to 40,000. Dito, it's a detachable, pwede mo gawin tent mode, pero hindi mo pwedeng talagang, nakita nyo naman yung viewing angle nito, I think it's just only 170 degrees. The other cons of this unit is the USB port. Wala siyang USB port sa tablet. Ang USB port niya is nasa keyboard. Probably because hindi na kasya pag naglagay ka ng USB port dito. Kaya nilagay na lang nila dito, USB 3.1. May nabibili naman na converter from USB 3.1 to 3.0 or to 2.0. Alright, guys, sino ba mga target market nito? First of all, napaka-ideal nito sa mga students kasi this is an on-the-go. You can make it on tablet. And not just in students, pwede rin sa teacher. Kasi the video quality of this, in case na mag-video call si teacher, mas maganda compared to a regular laptop. Nakita nyo naman yung video quality ng unit na ito. You could use this in presentation, Kasi pag cellphone, yung Microsoft Office nila, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, limited access. But this one, you get the full access of the Microsoft Office. By the way, don't get me wrong, wala siya kasamang Microsoft Office in lifetime. It comes with a trial version of a Microsoft Office. Isa rin sa mga cons nito, dapat sinamahan nila ng pen, no? Pero, however, you can just actually buy it in Lazada or Shopee. Meron din sa CDR King. Kasi yung hinanap mo lang naman pen, yung rubber yung nasa dulo eh. So, you could actually use this in games, of course, like Genshin Impact, and then yung dating Dota 1, ganyan. Valorant, actually, it will run in Valorant in a very low settings, but expect FPS drop. Saan ka nakita o nagba-Valorant ka sa tablet? Diba? And then, of course, hindi siya pwede sa mga AAA games. What do I mean by AAA games? Yung talagang kailangan ng mga dedicated video card na 4GB to 6 or 8GB. Hindi siya pwede sa AutoCAD, guys. Hindi rin ata siya pwede sa... Pwede ba ito sa Photoshop? Or Celeron? Okay. So, pwede daw. So, pwede rin to sa, of course, sa Paint. So, mas maganda gamitin to ng Paint and then you're using a pen, di ba? Parang kala mo, napaka-professional mo, pero Celeron lang pala ang hawak mo. If you guys have purchased this unit already, please share your comments or your feedback to this unit para yung mga ibang customers na bibili dito, aware sila sa binibili nilang unit. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Now, about the price of this unit, kung sa iba nyo ito bibilin, this is around roughly mga 17 to 18,000. But here in Laptop Factory, we're just selling this in 15,500. At minsan nagsisale kami, baka makuha nyo ito ng just 15,000 or less. That is why we urge you to visit our Facebook page from time to time kasi nandun yung mga bagong units natin, hindi dito sa video na to. In case na you want to be updated, follow us on Facebook and then please do also like our page on Facebook, guys. So you can actually avail this to any of our branches. So we're just gonna list the branch at the end of the screen. And then guys, alam niyo naman, paminsan-minsan may lockdown, minsan wala. Don't worry, we do cash on delivery nationwide within Metro Manila. Kung wala ka naman sa Metro Manila, we do it on LBC. They also offer cash on delivery in LBC. But of course, expect it much longer sa LBC. Kasi dito, within Metro Manila, we can deliver it within the same day or tomorrow. Mga ganon. And then, if you want to avail this, you could actually buy this in cash or in installment. Ang installment natin, meron tayong home credit. And then we also have an installment online, which is the Bill Ease. So you don't need credit card details. They're just gonna ask you some information and then malaman nyo if you are approved or not for the installment. And speaking about credit card, yes, we do have also credit card payment, but medyo mataas pa interest namin. So I don't really, push the credit card payment here on our store. The warranty on this unit, it comes with a 1-week replacement. So anything happened on the unit or whatsoever within the week, palitan namin. However, in case na kwari, 2 months, 3 months may nangyari sa unit, wag naman sana, it comes with a 2 years Lenovo service warranty. So you can actually bring it to our store and then kami magdadala kay Lenovo. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo mas mapabilis, mapaayos yung unit, you can directly to go to the Lenovo. Ang kailangan lang naman nila is resibo. And speaking of resibo, don't worry, we are registered in BIR, DTI, and also in OMB. Okay? So maraming salamat sa mga subscribers natin. So if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do like and subscribe to our page. Now, in order for you to avail this giveaway, napakasimple lang. Like the page, subscribe, and then share it to your online platform. We do have this automated system. It's a randomizer. If you follow those steps, probably ikaw ang manalo. Okay? I think I said everything on this unit. Maraming salamat sa pag-watch ng video na to. My name is Dustin from Laptop Factory. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
So I keep my mouth shut and I listen. Afraid